Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you Wise versus Payoneer, which is better and cheaper. So let's get started. So from here in this video, we will be discussing the features, pros and cons of Wise and Payoneer, and we will be comparing them later on also in terms of the prices. So for now, let's dive into Wise and discuss its features. So number one is its transparent fees. So Wise is known for its transparency. You'll always know how much you're paying in fees and the exact exchange rate you'll get. And you would have the real exchange rates right here. So Wise uses the mid-market rate, which is the fairest rate you can get with no markups. And you would also have the multi-currency accounts. With Wise, you can hold and manage money in over 50 currencies. It's perfect for freelancers, businesses dealing with international clients. And you would have the easy transfers. You can send money to over 80 countries with just a few clicks, and recipients can receive full funds directly into their bank accounts. And you would also have the debit card right here. So you can use the Wise cards to offer multi-currency debit card, allowing you to spend in different countries with different currencies with low conversion fees. All right, so now let's move on to the pros of Wise. So number one is the low fees. So compared to traditional banks, Wise's fees are significantly lower. And it is also a variable for speed, so most transfers are completed within a few hours to a couple of days. And it's also user-friendly, so this platform is straightforward and easy to use. And its security is also great, so Wise is regulated by financial authorities around the world, ensuring that your money is safe. And now let's move on to the cons of Wise. So number one is the no cash pickup. So Wise only supports bank-to-bank transfers, so there is no option for cash pickup here in Wise. And also, there is a limited business tools. So while it is great for transfers, Wise lacks some of the comprehensive business tools offered by Payoneer. So yeah, if you would like some more business tools, then you should opt for Payoneer instead of Wise because they have so much more. All right, so now let's dive into Payoneer, and now let's discuss its features. So number one is the global payment service. So Payoneer allows you to receive payments from international clients as if you had local bank accounts in multiple countries. And it also has the multi-currency account. Just like Wise, Payoneer lets you hold and manage multiple currencies. And it also has mass payouts. So this is ideal for businesses. Payoneer supports mass payouts to vendors, affiliates, and employees. And you would also have the prepaid MasterCard. So Payoneer offers a prepaid MasterCard, making it easy to access your funds and make purchases worldwide. And you would have the integration with marketplaces. So Payoneer integrates with many global marketplaces like Amazon, Fiverr, and Upwork, streamlining payments for freelancers and sellers. All right, so now let's move on to the pros of Payoneer. So number one is its versatility. So it supports a wide range of payment methods, including bank transfers, prepaid cards, and receiving accounts. It also has the business tools. So Payoneer offers invoicing, global payment services, and mass payout options, making it a robust solution for businesses. And it also has a wide acceptance. So this means that the prepaid MasterCard is widely accepted and can be used at ATMs worldwide. It also has the marketplaces integration. So it is perfect for freelancers and e-commerce sellers who use global marketplaces. All right, so now let's move on to the cons of Payoneer. So number one is it has higher fees. So compared to Wise, Payoneer's fees can be higher, especially for currency conversions. And number two, it has slow transfers. So some users report longer transfer times compared to Wise. And number three, it has complex fee structure. So Payoneer's fee structure can be more complicated with various fees depending on the transaction type and destination. And now let's move on to the pricing comparison of Wise and Payoneer. So Wise would have the small percentage of the transfer amount plus a fixed fee with total costs usually lower than traditional banks. While Payoneer charges vary by service. So receiving payments via the global payment service is free, but there are fees for withdrawals, currency conversions, and card usage. So now let's conclude which is better in 2024. Wise would be the ideal one if you are looking for low cost, transparent, and fast international money transfers. It's perfect for individuals, freelancers, and small businesses needing straightforward financial services. But Payoneer would shine if you would need a versatile solution with robust business tools and integration with global marketplaces. It's particularly beneficial for businesses handling mass payouts and freelancers working on international platforms. So ultimately, the best choice would depend on your specific needs. If cost and simplicity are your top priorities, Wise is the way to go. If you need comprehensive business tools and flexible payment options, Payoneer might be a better fit. So what do you think? Have you used Wise or Payoneer? Share your experiences in the comments below. So if you have found this comparison helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos and reviews like this. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.